Looking to send money worldwide with the MoneyGram mobile app and don't know how to use it properly? Well, in this video today, I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use this mobile app to send money worldwide. And it's very easy to use, guys. So just follow along in this video and you'll learn how to use it. Now, with that said, let's head over to the mobile app and get started. So to get started, guys, you want to download the MoneyGram app from the Google Play Store or the iPhone App Store. If you're new, hit the sign up button and create your account. So it's going to ask for your email address, your password, a phone number, and some other personal information on the next screen, right? Easy 1, 2, 3. So I already have an account, so I'm going to log in and take you over the steps of how you can use MoneyGram to send money to your local bank account, a friend's bank account, and even to a pickup location, right? So here I'm just going to log in with my account. So once you have successfully logged into your account, you want to hit send, specify the amount of money that you want to send. Here, you can change the receiving country, select how you want to pay, whether it be a debit card, credit card, Interact transfer, or from your bank account, or at a cash location. Now, depending on which country you're sending from, you may see additional options. So you want to note here that the money will be available within 0 to 6 business days. So if you make no errors, pretty much the money will be sent in a day, right? Here for the receive method, you have the option for direct to bank account or cash pickup. If you select direct to bank account, it's going to ask you for the recipient's first name, last name, bank account number, and they may ask you for the ID number. So here I'm just going to go with cash pickup, then scroll down and then select next. Now on this page is where you'll add your recipient. So if you select add recipient and select add manually, then it will ask you for the receiver information. So I'm just going to step back one more time and select my existing account. Then on this page, you'll add your payment method. So my card is already on file. In your case, you'll add a new card and then complete the card information. So I'm going to step back, then select my card. So each time you will select your card to make a payment, it's going to ask you for the CVV. That's a three-digit number at the back of your card. And some of them it's at the front, right? So here I'm going to select done, scroll up, read this fraud information, right? Then select next. So here we're almost done. This is all literally easy it is, guys. So this is just an overview, the receiver information, how much they will receive, the cash pickup method, and the payment method. And at the bottom is the total cost of the transaction. So for a cash pickup, it's $4.99, and if you do a bank deposit, it's going to be $10. Now this may vary depending on the country which you're sending from. So that's how you'd use MoneyGram mobile app to send money worldwide. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and give me a subscribe. See you in the next video.